Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. We've got our helix set in. We know our elevations. So in today's episode, we're going to get into the layout lighting. So join with me on that. So I'm going to start laying some track inside the actual staging, and we're going to be coming around for the connection to the helix. So I have this kit I want to try out for LED lighting for the staging area. So I'm going to put this together so you can see I started unboxing it, and I'm going to unroll this roll to see how high the luminaires are for the staging. So I just want to finish unpacking this, and I will come back and we can do a comparison on it, because it's got three different types of lighting. So we'll test all three and see which one works out the best. So this LED strip has a peel and stick back, and it's got like this 3M tape to it, but it's not very I'm not gonna lie guys, it's not very good. It's barely staying on there. I used a couple of drops of CA glue in the front here to start establishing it, but yeah, it's not so sticky. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try some hot glue or something. So let me give that a try and we'll come right back. And to power the lights, it's just a simple transformer plugs in the wall. It gives you the power cord. You line up, there's a little tiny mark on that plug, and you line up the little marks. I don't know if you guys can really see that little dash line. You line those up so that they match. And the plug comes with two. So you go, it gives you two rolls of the LED lights. So you have, so what I have plugged in that you guys see on the video, that's just one string. So I can plug the next string in on this one. So I think in total, for the whole layout, I'm gonna need like 4 of these kits. So yeah, it works out pretty good. So I just took the hot glue gun here, guys, and I just put a couple of drops in behind it. That seems to strengthen it enough that it's holding good. So maybe that's the solution. Just an afterthought as I'm laying this strip, and I need the lighting to continue my build, but I probably should have already sanded up everything and primed it for sky color. But being that it is staging, I don't know, it might be black. I don't know, maybe that's something we'll all decide together. What do you guys vote on the bottom? You guys comment below. Do we A, paint it up like the rest of the layout with sky and backdrop even though it's staging, or B, do we just darken it out with nothing there? Yeah, comment below. I'm interested to hear what you guys think about that. Okay, so I've laid the strip. I've tacked it with the hot glue gun. I'm gonna go along and do a lot more spots. I don't want to bore you guys with that part, but let's do a test and we'll see how it looks, right? So put this down temporarily to see, and the kit comes with a little remote control. So I've hooked up the main power pack for it, and we'll just turn it on and give it a try. Let's see how this works out. Are we ready? Drum roll. There, so it seems to give off a nice ambient light. It's got different modes to it. we can actually change the color. And the intensity. Let's see. So I can turn it down or we can turn it up. Well, I tell you, it really lights the bottom up nice that I can see everything in here to lay some rail. So well, I'll have to try it some more. I'm going to test it in the dark. I'm going to turn all the construction room lights off. My whole theory, when I finally get the layout built, is just the sections of the layout are going to be lit. So it's almost like a giant shadow box. So like this is only you're only going to see like this part of it. And then same with this on the upper half, and then on the topmost, you're only going to see the layout lit, so the room's going to be dark. That's my idea. So yeah, I guess it's going to be the testing with the room lights off next. So here we are in the dark room basement. So I have all the room lights off. So let's give those LED lights a shot. So there's the LED light and the effect that we're gonna get on just the layout being lit. So my fascia will be black, and like I say, it'll be just the parts of the layout will be lit. So I gotta tell you, that don't look too bad. Let's test the other colors. So that's like the more bright color. That's more of like a bluish hue that my eye sees, but probably be like the sunny white. Yeah, really, you can really tell the difference once you have no fascia or nothing to block the light that comes at you, right? So, no, I don't know. I'm, say 50-50. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, friends, so thanks for joining us today. And next week we'll come back with some more content. But for now, I think I'm pretty happy with how these lights are. I'd like to see what your comments and your suggestions are. But for now, I'm happy with what we've done, and we'll catch you guys next week. And with that, we turn her off.